build a freestyle motocross ramp. We are going to make a little poacher kicker. It's time to go up the golf course when Greg's golfing and put on a show. And we're going to jump the Hoosier River. 8 foot long, 4 foot high by 3 foot wide. It's going to be out of 2x4s and plywood. And 2x6s. Thank you, Greg. So this is all pressure treated for the top layer, bottom layer. And here's our kiln dried for all the braces. Here's our template. This is all cut out. If you want to know how to get this angle, I got a video on how to do that. Use the string trick. I think that's what the title of the video is. First step, you just had to cut this template. I took like, I don't know, half a foot off to make it 8 feet. So, 8 foot template. Craig just got this cut out at 8 feet. It's going to be our bottom support. And it's our other bottom support. We're going to just do like an L, kind of. Do your thing, Craig. Okay, this side's done. We're going to do the other side. Same process. Get it, Craig? So, 2 bottom sections all set up. Let's get some braces going across the bottom.
3 feet, right? 3 feet. 3 feet.
Let's go.
3 feet. 3 feet.
That's the back section. It's looking great. Next, we're going to get these braces for the middle. Work your magic, Greg.
Oh, so nice.
Look at that. Got all these cut. So that big dogger in there. We just got these sides nailed in. There. Now we're going to nail these inside braces in. Okay, get that little extra support in there. Why not? We're looking solid, Craig. Step. Just gonna get this thing nice and square. This side. Okay, it's like 68.5 on the dot. 68.5. Be nice if I actually filmed the part. Yeah, that's pretty much it, dude. Nice and square. Just gonna keep it in place by putting a brace right now. Craig getting ahead of the game. Already caught this on me. Got this on a nice little angle here. Do the same thing. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I guess I'm gonna throw another one right here. Why not? We ran out of pressure treated. Yeah, we did. It's okay. It's not touching the ground. It's gonna be no big deal. Angle already cut on this side from the previous cut. Going nowhere, dude. This is gonna be the most solid wooden ramp I ever hit. Craig's like, don't show these gaps.
Yeah, those
no one cares.
Those cuts suck.
Let's go. It's just a little brace.
Those cuts suck.
Go. Beautiful. Whee! Next up, we're gonna get these side dogs on there. First ones to cut gonna be these back sections at what was it, 44 inches? You said
44.
Okay.
It's over. All right, so we're only using the nail gun to tack this
Yeah, just tack her in place. No.
Now we gotta get pre-drill.
Beautiful. Let's cut the second one at 44.
44.
Just leave a little meat on the bone. Just take it out. It's no big deal.
What?
We literally don't need that brace. Just take it out.
Yeah, that can come out.
Alright, we're hammering that thing out of there. Nice.
That's my nails are cool.
That's great. We're gonna make it.
Get that out of there.
Oh, you can say whatever you want. We ain't gonna get monetized ever on this channel anyway.
Alright, cool. Alright, we're back. We're decking her in place.
Let's go. Sweet. Next braces are going in. Got these cut, rough length. I'm gonna do them every 20 inches. So get these in place temporarily. We're doing great right now. We're like 35 minutes in. Way faster than the metal one. Get these braces in, and 2 or 3 more. Get her nice and lined up. Set it right about 20 inches. All of these uprights are pretty much in. This part right here, we're really not going to need one because it's like under 20 inches. We're just going to cut this. So, next step, we're just going to get this template in place and cut our braces here. Get one up top. Okay. Beautiful. Now we're just going to make this nice and square.
We're square here.
Yep.
And now we're also square here.
Okay. Now we're just going to mark these angles off. Perfect. It's very easy. Let's get them cut. Now we're going to get the most important part.
Cut. Remember we did this one first on the metal ramp?
Yeah, let's go.
This is going to be the last cut.
We're just going to repeat the process on the other side. Nice and square. Nice and square there. Get these all marked. Beautiful. We were just going to cut the angles, but these are really flimsy, so we're just going to pre-drill, screw all this stuff in place, get everything solid, and then we can start cutting.
You bought good screws, we don't have to pre-drill.
No more pre-drill.
Yeah. Those are gorgeous.
Feels way more solid. All these braces are screwed in place, nice and sturdy. Next step, we're going to take these 30-inch cross braces to strengthen up even more, and we can cut our angles. Put all our braces, let's throw these suckers in place. I'm going to cut the angle, pull the brace out, and do the same down each end. A little rough, but we're going to hit it with the sander, smooth it right down. So we just check these braces. I think they're strong enough to just cut without bracing, doing that temporary bracing. Alright, it's not bad. Let's go to the other side. Okay. Oh, that was rough. We gotta do that one over. Alright. Ran into a little issue here. In order to get this angle cut, at least an easy way to get this cut, we're gonna have to pull this board out to like that point, just so we don't cut through two boards. Got that pulled out of there. Let's line it up on that side. Okay. I think that did the trick. I'm just gonna mark these a little better. Something like that. This side is cut. I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Both sides cut. Let's get the sander and kind of even these things out, I guess. Looking better or what? Oh, much better, Ron.
Yeah, it's much better.
Okay.
Yep.
One more because I'm OCD. It ain't gotta be perfect, man. We're used to hitting dirt, so.
Yep. It needs to be nice and flush to actually make the board go like this.
You know what's up. Okay.
Instead of just like flying off.
Everything's sanded down, nice and smooth. Let's throw some braces in. 1, 2, 3. Got these braces in, they're looking great. I'm gonna actually add a few more. So we're gonna put one right here. Probably should have just took that top one and put it there, but whatever. And I'm gonna put one more right here. Got these braces in. Let's throw some plywood on there. Plywood is on. Kind of. Just ran into a little issue here. This last piece obviously needs to be supported, so I'm just gonna take the circular saw, cut 1 inch off that, and we should be good. Got this cut out. Sorry I can't film most of this. My friend drank a little too much last night, so. Alright, that's done. Let's throw that last piece in. Okay, we got this all cut out, and I added this little piece of plywood here at the end, because I'm a total paranoid OCD freak, so I'll throw that in there, something like that. And I'm even going to grab another layer of this plywood. One more thing we're going to do before I go to Home Depot and grab another sheet of plywood. I'm adding 2 braces. So this will go something like that. And go like this. So I got that marked off. Got that marked off. Cut this thing. Cut another one. Got these cut. Looks good. Perfect. I'm gonna just screw these in. Do 2 more supports on the other side. Supports are screwed in. Looking great. Of course, I'm gonna add another one. So I'm just gonna do like a triangle, X, whatever, brace right there. All these braces are in. Let's go get final top layer of plywood. Probably gonna be 1/4 inch. Me 1/4 inch.
Good job, dog. Good boy. Buddy!
These birds are everywhere. They're so smart. They're taking cover. It's all cold out and stuff still. Okay, so they didn't have 1/4 inch, but they had 1/2 inch. Why do I have 2 pieces? Because I'm building another ramp after this. Be a distance ramp. Let's finish this one first. There it is. Both layers of plywood on. I really wish they had 5/8. I'd use just 1 layer, but I ain't going through 1 inch of plywood. So, sick. I can't wait to hit this thing. You guys all rule. every single one of you watching my videos, supporting the channel. Watch out for our next video. It's going to be distance ramp build. And then hopefully jump in the Hoosick River.